serve it on the down low. So we thought that was like a great story. We're going to go in Gramercy to show you the locations of former speakeasies that were open during Prohibition. Like on the down low, they were serving alcohol. So we're going to check them out. Most of them, unfortunately, we're not going to be able to go inside because they're closed due to the coronavirus shutdown, but you can go back once it's safe to do so. So it'll be extra good. On the corner of 3rd Avenue and East 22nd has been in business since 1968, but the building itself dates back to 1840, and it was open during Prohibition as a restaurant. When the building was first constructed, on the ground floor it had like a horse stable, you know, like where they kept the horse and carriages. But over the years, the ground floor space got converted to a bar, and during Prohibition it operated as a speakeasy. And in fact, when you go inside Rolf's German restaurant today, the bar that they have is from 1910, the wood bar. It's absolutely gorgeous. And the great thing about Rolf's is that it's beautifully decorated for Christmas. I mean, that's the time to go, from like October, like around after after Halloween in late October through November and December and January. Today, even though we're highlighting the fact that it was a speakeasy, we do want to mention that when it is open for business, because right now it's closed due to the coronavirus shutdown because there's no indoor dining, and this restaurant in particular can't survive on takeaway because the whole thing is about the ambiance of dining here because of the beautiful Christmas decorations that they install from like floor to ceiling every year. We'll insert some pictures from when we've been here in the past and taken some photos of the inside. Excellent German food and beautiful ambiance. Extra good. Tavern on the corner of Irving Place and East 18th Street. And Pete's Tavern has been in business since 1864. It's actually one of the oldest continuously operating pubs in all of New York City. And the building itself actually dates back to 1851. And this ground floor space operated as kind of like a grocery store grog. So in other words, it was like a liquor store. And during Prohibition, it was a speakeasy. What they did was they made the front part of like the restaurant bar a flower shop. And then they had like this dummy refrigerator door separating the front part of the restaurant to the back part of the restaurant. And in the back is where they kept the liquor. And they used to say to people, okay, let's get some water for our flowers and go in the back and get some liquid and then, you know, serve it on the down low. So we thought that was like a great story, that, you know, they kept the business going, but under the guise of the flower shop. So what kept this place going during Prohibition is that many politicians from nearby Tammany Hall, which is just down this way, would come here and to socialize and drink. So even though it was operating under the guise of being a flower shop, they kind of like steered the Prohibition agents away from, like, you know, raiding the place and things like that, because they wanted to come here and drink. In the early 1900s, the writer O. Henry lived in a rooming house nearby, and he wrote his short story, The Gift of the Magi, here at the Tavern. In fact, they have, like, behind this wall is kind of the seat where he wrote it. We'll have a picture of it that we'll insert to show you exactly where it happened. East 18th Street near Park Avenue South, and it's been in business since 1892. And of course, it operated as a speakeasy during Prohibition. In fact, it has most of its original interior, including an original mahogany bar with a marble top that's over 55 feet long. It's one of the longest mahogany bars, like, in all of New York City. It's absolutely gorgeous. Of course, it closed now because of the coronavirus shutdown. Otherwise, we would go inside and show you the beautiful bar and the glass, like the plate glass, which is like all beveled, these mirrors. It's really beautiful. And they have like original Hinsdale urinals in the men's room. So unfortunately, we can't go inside, but it's a great place. Well, serving not only alcohol, but food, and extra good with lots of history. We really love their neon sign. We'll insert a photo of it when it's lit. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's the original neon. They had it restored a number of years ago. And another cool thing about this bar is that it has an upstairs dining area. And in fact, that was like the ladies and gentlemen's dining area from when like women weren't allowed to like drink at bars. So like they had a designated area upstairs, which was like really cool too. Many famous literary figures have drank here over the years, including Seamus Heaney, Frank McCourt, and Pete Hamill, who just passed away yesterday, sadly. Hope you enjoyed our former Speakeasy tour around the Gramercy neighborhood of Manhattan. Please give our video a thumbs up, share it, and hit the like button, and consider donating to our Patreon page, or you can support us and our work documenting interesting places and unique small businesses in New York City by giving us a one-time donation through PayPal. So thanks so much for watching, and be safe, and bye guys!
Bye guys!